Welcome to the SnapiShop demo video. We are all aware that e-com sales worldwide amounts to trillions of dollars, and this is predicted to continually increase year by year. And we also know that the cost of maintaining a Shopify store monthly is quite on the high side, and it requires so much complexity and technicality in setting up a good eye-converting Shopify store. Hence, we came up with SnapiShop to help users turn social media images uploaded on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest into a monetized gallery shop in just few clicks. Please walk with me as I take you through a demo video showing you how easy it is to turn any image on social media into an automated sales machine. This is going to be an amazing ride, so let's go. First and foremost, after logging into the SnapiShop dashboard, the first thing you need to do is to click on the link new account. So for the purpose of this demo, I'm going to connect my Facebook account. So you click on link new account. Next, we click on continue as missing, so we can approve SnapiShop to access our profile and pages. Okay, so successfully we've been able to link my Facebook account. We can do the same for Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest, and we are allowed to link an unlimited number of social accounts on these 4 major social media platforms. So if you want to add a new Facebook account, you just simply click on the plus button. You'll be brought to an account settings section where you can connect a new account, Facebook account, and also connect your Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest accounts. So you're really allowed to connect an unlimited number of social profiles inside of SnapiShop. Also, you can come in here to edit your profile picture if you so desire. So let's go back to our dashboard. So now in our dashboard, we can see the number of accounts we have connected on Facebook, and we can create a store, and it's going to update in here how many stores we have on each of these social profiles. So the next section is for us to create a store. So we click on create a store. We select our profile in which we want to monetize. So next, we're brought up to a page where we can visibly see all our Facebook pages and profile linked to our Facebook account. So at this stage, we simply want to select one of the pages we want to turn into a SnapiShop gallery store. So it's as simple as just selecting a page. So for the purpose of this demo, I'm going to select my manual Facebook page. Next, you're going to be brought to a section where it shows you your timeline photos, your cover photos, or your profile pictures. So you simply select images from any of these albums in your Facebook page. I'm simply going to select from my timeline photos, so I click on select from this album. So I have these 3 images uploaded on my page. So all I have to do is select these 3 images. Okay, depends on you. Select the images in which you want to monetize with SnapiShop and click on next. Perfect. So now we're brought to the SnapiShop editor. Okay, this is where we're going to customize our store with the built-in features to give you a fully monetized eye-converting store in just a few clicks. Okay, so go with me carefully as I walk you through each functions in this section. First things first, I give my store a name. Call it Manop Store. I give it a description. So where will men gain confidence and purpose. So something brief, and we just come in here to give our store a logo. So click on select logo. So perfect, I have a logo and I give my store a banner. So select one of my images. Interesting. So we now have our logo and our cover photo. Next thing, we can come in here to enter in copyright text, a link to terms of service and privacy policy. So it should be inserted right here. Next, we edit our products. Okay, so we click on one of our products. Here we can customize our products on SnapiShop to fit our needs. So we can come in here and enter in a product title. So let's call this the all-in-one man-up beard kit. So we can give it a color of our choice from either orange, blue, green or purple. So I'll probably just go with red, and coming here and entering a description. So coming here and just pasting a simple description about this particular product. I can adjust the size of the text. Okay, so let's leave it at size 18. And here we can also add in a YouTube URL. Suppose we have a demo video for this product, so I can just paste in a YouTube URL here. For the purpose of this demo, I'm just going to paste in a YouTube link I just grabbed off YouTube. Okay, so I just imagine this was a demo of my particular product, so we just put in there, or if your demo video is uploaded on Vimeo, you put in your Vimeo URL. So at this stage, we can come in here and preview how our store looks like in real time. So as you can see, this is a store with an image, a banner, and our images pulled out from Facebook. So you can just come in here, click on it, and see exactly just how it looks. Okay, it loads up pretty quickly. Okay, this is, and we can play video and see our box, its images and all. So let's go back and continue customizing our store. Stage, we're gonna dive straight into the monetization strategy built into SnapiShop. Okay, so this is how best you can monetize and make money off those images you put out from social media. So you come in here and enter in a price you intend to sell in this. So we could just give this $37, and you can see its updates right in here. Okay, you can change the currency to whatever you choose. Okay, so I have a bunch of currencies in here, so you can just leave this at United States dollar, and again you can change this to whatever color you choose. Okay, next is a checkout method. This is the meat and potato of SnapiShop. Okay, this is where users get to actually monetize and make money off these images put out of any of these social media platforms. We have three methods in which users can monetize these images. Okay, one, you can manually insert your affiliate links or an external store link in here. Okay, assuming you want to direct users to buy this product outside of SnapiShop. You just simply insert your checkout page, here, your affiliate links or an external store link in here. Okay. The second method of making money off this product is by linking in a PayPal account. Okay, you can link in a PayPal account and start collecting PayPal payments for this product right inside of SnapiShop. Okay, you simply come in here and edit the call to action for this product. Okay, you can call this get man up with now. Okay, I already edited this, so get man up get kit now, and we can change the color. So let's just leave it at orange. Okay. The third method for monetizing this link is via the advanced section. Okay, so once we click on advanced, we can automatically pull out products from Amazon with our affiliate links. Okay, let's assume we want to monetize this particular product via our affiliate link on Amazon. So just come in here and insert our Amazon affiliate ID in here, and whenever customers or visitors click in here, this other button, they're redirected to your Amazon affiliate link, and whenever they purchase this product, you get a commission inside of your Amazon affiliate account. So it's quite interesting. So you can come in here and type in a beard kit. Okay, and you can select a category where you want to pull out this product from. So let's just search all categories. You can see that it pulls out products from Amazon, so you could simply use this product. Okay, so whenever someone clicks on this get man up beard kit, that it redirects to your Amazon affiliate link, and you can monetize this through AliExpress, Amazon, Best Buy, eBay. Okay, so if you come back to general, you see that it's replaces the link, the redirect link to your Amazon affiliate link. But please always ensure you insert your affiliate ID inside of this section here. So if you don't know how to get an affiliate ID, we have a link here you can click to learn how to get an ID for Amazon, eBay, Best Buy, and AliExpress. Okay, so these are the three methods we have built inside of SnapiShop to allow you monetize this platform. Okay, so it's either you manually putting your affiliate links, your checkout links, your external store links here, you're linking a PayPal account, or you automatically pull out an affiliate link from 4 of these e-com giants and become an affiliate. Okay, so at this stage, if you come back and preview our store again and click on the product we've been editing, you'll find out that when we click on the get man up beard kit now, we are redirected to this product on Amazon, and when a sale is made, we get a commission. Okay, that's for that. So at this stage, let me introduce you to the sales boosting functions we have built into SnapiShop. Okay, we have the reviews section, so we can populate these sections with reviews about our products. Okay, and this is how we get reviews for our store. We come in here and we click on get review. So right now we are the review function for SnapiShop, and this is how we're going to generate our reviews. We simply come down here to click on get reviews, but before that, let's select the number of reviews we want. So pick 3. I can edit this to be whatever I want, but I'll just leave it as customer reviews. I can also select colors. I'll just leave it as red. I can decide the position I want my reviews to be, and this is where we activate our reviews. So click on show, and it's going to pop up the reviews right here. So once you click on get reviews, it's going to pull out reviews from our Facebook fan page, which we connected to SnapiShop. And we all know testimonials are a great boosting sales factor. Okay, so we have another sales boosting factor, a function built into SnapiShop, and we call it the sales pop-up. Okay, so let me quickly explain how it works. So this works by displaying a box, a pop-up on our SnapiShop store, letting other visitors know that other customers are purchasing or viewing this particular product, which is a great boosting factor of convincing more customers to purchase through our SnapiShop. Okay, so we can set up one by selecting the seconds we want it to show and the display time, and also we can edit this to say anything we want. People in a particular country are viewing this particular product. Okay, so once you had a pop-up, you can add as many pop-up displaying people in various countries. You select in here are viewing a particular product. So this is a really great sales boosting function we have built into SnapiShop to convert more of your visitors into sales. The next function we have here is the power ups, and this contains more sales boosting factors. We have countdown timers to display on your product description page. We have sales pop-ups, it's actually the same, and we have potential savings, so we can tell customers how much they save if they buy through your product page at the moment. And we also have the number of stocks. Okay, so you can enter in a quantity of stocks left in your store, which is also a great boosting a sales boosting factor to convert more of your customers into sales. Okay, so at this stage we can quickly preview our store to see how it looks in real time. Okay, so as you can see, we have a full-blown SnapiShop store where we've customized one of our products in here, and it shows it comes with everything required to convert. This is our sales pop-up, and this is our stock quantity, and we have an other product section in case users are interested in purchasing one or two extra products from your store. So SnapiShop really gives you the ability to create a full-blown store in few clicks without any monthly costs. Okay, so at this stage we're done creating a store. Let's dive back into our menus, and here we can click my stores to see our stores which we've created. At this stage we've only created one store, so you can create an unlimited number of stores with SnapiShop. We also have an image finder in case you want to find images for your stores, like your cover, your store banners, your store logo, and you really want to find images you can edit. This is also a great tool we've built inside of SnapiShop. We also have the image editor, where you can edit each of the images you found through the image finder, and we're going to have a tutorials video explaining how each of these tools work inside of SnapiShop. And at this stage we have the analytics section, where we can see detailed analytics of what's going on with our SnapiShop stores. Okay, we can see that we have 2 visits from our SnapiShop store from Facebook, so this is a great insight into what's going on. And at this section, integration section, this is where we are able to integrate our PayPal account, where we collect payments from our store, which I showed you back then in the editor. Okay, so this way you connect your PayPal and start collecting sales and cash payments for products. And this is a link to our support desk. Once again, I really want to appreciate you for taking the time out to watch this demo video. If you have any questions, please send in a support ticket.